What is something good going on in the world that a lot of people aren't aware of?
They're successfully rewilding beavers in the UK.
This graphic, yearly cases of guinea worm in Ethiopia. I look this up again when I'm having a bad day or humanity starts to seem awful to me. We can be. But we also did this. We reduced cases of a horrifying, agonizingly painful parasitic infection that destroys lives and livelihoods from over 1,000 cases a year to 7, and that's just in Ethiopia. A lot of hard-working people did some amazingly good work.
Many endangered animal species are on the rebound now, such as the bald eagle, humpback whales, and scouse swallowtail butterflies due to increased conservational efforts.
An eastern black rhino was just born, a complete surprise to the rangers who protect the 1,000 remaining in the wild. They are critically endangered, the rarest of the subspecies, and this is a monumental occasion.
I lived in Los Angeles during the 80s, in Van Nuys. I didn't realize that there was a mountain range to the north of the valley. I drove through in 2013 and there was very little smog. I have been told by people I know who live there that the smog is like 10 or 20% of what it was in the 80s.
Teen pregnancy rates hit a historic low in 2022.
Global efforts to reforest areas are making a significant impact.
The ozone layer is thickening.
Sodium-ion batteries might start replacing lithium-ion batteries soon, which would be much better for the environment and generally cheaper or more convenient.
There has been a major breakthrough in meaningfully extending the lifespan of people with ALS using drugs that are already on the market and FDA approved. Their effectiveness at treating ALS was discovered as a direct result of research funded by the massive influx of donations from the various ice bucket challenges of the early 2000s.
CRISPR treatment has just been FDA approved to cure sickle cell disease.
I work as a mental health therapist. There is certainly a mental health crisis, and there are also a lot of people who are recovering. Most of the people who I see end up recovering and graduating from therapy within a year. We talk a lot about how bad mental health is. We don't talk a lot about recovery in mental health.
Researchers have successfully cured HIV in several non-human primates. We're closer to a real cure.
Medicine and treatment for many ailments has progressed through the years, improving quality and quantity of life.
I know this is old news, but maybe people aren't aware of it. Scientists have been working with a bacteria to fight cancers. Bacillus calmette-guerin has been used with some success to fight bladder cancer, edited for clarity.
Extreme famine has been decreasing significantly the past decade on a global scale.
David Attenborough's still healthy.
The sun is still going strong.
I love reading this thread.